discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Going on, everybody? I hope you enjoyed that full work around of this insane system, the folded wall subwoofer box build from James is the owner of the system. This was showcased at the Team Deadly Hurt show in Virginia of 2023 TDH show. Didn't really get a full introductory of what was all in here, so I actually reached out to James later. He was really busy at the show, and he gave me all the details I can run down with you right now. Really impressive 5 18-inch subwoofers. One of them are inverted to make this really unique style to see how beautiful those motors are from Phi. The Phi Neo 4.11 18-inch subs, 4.11 Neo 18s. A total of 40,000 watts between these 5 18-inch subs, and it's considered a folded wall because you can see the corner fold between the subwoofers mounted on the side as well as into the enclosure, and it has a fold there, and some people may call it a folded horn enclosure as well. A lot of solid fabrication work and bracing to reinforce to get this enclosure where it is. Did a really good job with everything. And for the back of the enclosure, you can see where all his amplifier mounting rack is. Really clean install. 5 Sundown Salt 8,000 watt amps at 0.35 ohm each, 2 Salt 200.4 amplifiers, and each of these battery banks, there's 6 of them, and 6 of the JY HP40 amp hour lithium batteries on 2 390 amp XL alternators. So we're going to go ahead and get to the demo now. If you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily videos every day, and enjoy.
I'm pulling up in that Bruce and Mary Millie when I'm walking in the building. Freaky women, I be feeling from the bank accounts. I'm feeling what I'm feeling. Oh man, it gotta
anywhere. It's weird. You'll see. Yeah, man. Cool fabrication in that thing. What's up, Job? What's up?
You got your base ride here?
9 hour drive. And plus, you get to enjoy the show. Yeah.
It's the first time I actually get to enjoy the show because my car's not here.
You fighting for your soul. Or you better someone that you're running for.